Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's study about presidents of India. First, let's discuss about first four presidents of India. Let's start. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first president of India, known as Bihar Gandhi. So, our first president is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He is known as Bihar Gandhi. And his duration was from 1950 to 1962. And he held the post of president two times. And his total duration was about 12 years, and he held the post of president two times. He became president of INC in the year 1934 to 1935. He was president of INC from 1934 to 1935 at the Bombay session. He was born on 3rd December 1884. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was born on 3rd December 1884, elected as the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly on 13th December 1946. So, he was elected as the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly on 11th December 1946. He was Union Minister for Food and Agriculture in the interim ministry. This is not industry, this is interim. Interim ministry headed by Jawaharlal Nehru. So, he was Union Minister for Food and Agriculture in the interim ministry headed by Jawaharlal Nehru. And first Asian Games was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad at Delhi. It was in the year 1951. And first president to get Bharat Ratna is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He received Bharat Ratna for the first time. Means the first president to get Bharat Ratna is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. It was in the year 1962. First joint sitting of Indian Parliament was convened by Rajendra Prasad in the year 1961. So, the first joint sitting of Indian Parliament was convened by Rajendra Prasad, and it was in the year 1961. And he died on 28 February 1963. And his resting place is known as Mahaprayan Ghat. Next, let's discuss about our second president, S. Radhakrishnan. Born on 5th September 1888, and he is the third person to receive Bharat Ratna. So, first Dr. Rajendra Prasad, then Dr. C.V. Raman, and next Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So, he is the third person to receive Bharat Ratna, and it was in the year 1954. He was the first chairman of Rajya Sabha. So, because he is the vice president, he is the first vice president. So, that's why he is the first chairman of Rajya Sabha and first Indian to get Kendra Sahitya Akademi Fellowship. And he is the first Indian to get Kendra Sahitya Akademi Fellowship and first Indian who got Fellowship of British Academy. He also got Fellowship of British Academy and died on 17th April 1975. Let's see some more facts about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Vice President and second President of India, that we have already told. Vice President of India 2 times. He became Vice President of India for 2 times, and first President from South India. He is the first President from South India. He is known as King of Philosophers. And President during the period of India-China War and India-Pak War. During the period of India-China War and India-Pak War, both time he was our president during India-China War and during India-Pak War. Also, first president to proclaim national emergency. So he was the first president to proclaim national emergency, and it was during the time of India-China War in the year 1962. India-China War was in the year 1962. That time he was our president. He proclaimed national emergency, and his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Next, let's see about our third president, Zakir Hussain. Born on 8th February 1897 in Hyderabad. He was born on 8th February 1897 in Hyderabad, and first person to become a president after becoming a governor of a state. So he was the first person to become president after becoming the governor of a state, and also he is the first person to become president after becoming an MP. He was MP in Rajya Sabha, and his tenure was from 1967 to 1969, only 2 years, and he died on 3rd May 1969. So he died on 3rd May 1969. That's why he could not complete his term. Only 2 years he was in the office. And his resting place is Jamia Millia in UP. Let's see some more points about Dr. Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain, third President of India, and he is the first Muslim President of India and second Vice President of India also. He is the first Muslim President of India and second Vice President of India and third President of India. Co-founder of Jamia Millia Islamic University. He is the co-founder of Jamia Millia Islamic University and president known as educational philosopher. Dr. Zakir Hussain, he was known as educational philosopher. So, and he is the first president to die in office and shortest serving president of India. He is the shortest serving president of India and first president to die in harness or die in office. Translated the Republic of Plato into Urdu language. The Republic is a famous work done by Plato, and Dr. Zakir Hussain, he translated the Republic into Urdu language. First national emergency was repealed by Zakir Hussain on 10th January 1968. So, the first national emergency was repealed by Zakir Hussain on 10th January 1968. Now let's see about our fourth president, V.V. Giri. He was born on 10th August 1894 in Odisha, and he is from Odisha, and he was born on 10th August 1894, and his duration was from 1969 to 1974. So he completed his term. His tenure was from 1969 to 1974. V.V. Giri, the fourth President of India and first acting President of India. Our first acting President of India is also V.V. Giri, and shortest serving Vice President of India. He was the shortest serving Vice President of India, and founder of All India Railwaymen's Federation in the year 1923. He was founder of All India Railwaymen's Federation. It was in the year 1923. And he participated in the second roundtable conference held in London. It was in the year 1931. So he participated in the second roundtable conference. Second roundtable conference was in the year 1931. We know first roundtable conference was in the year 1930 and second roundtable conference was in the year 1931. It was in London, and he participated representing the industrial workers in India. He represented the industrial workers in India. And second national emergency was proclaimed by V.V. Giri in the year 1971. So second national emergency was proclaimed by, we have already seen, first national emergency was proclaimed by S. Radhakrishnan, and second national emergency was proclaimed by V.V. Giri, and got Bharat Ratna in 1975. So he got Bharat Ratna in 1975, and he was India's president during the Silver Jubilee celebration of independence. So during the Silver Jubilee celebration of independence, that was in the year 1972, he was our president. And he died on 24th June 1980. So he died on 24th June 1980. And that's all about. So that's all about today's topic. Hope you like the video. If you like, subscribe and share.